Welcome. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a hyper-realistic AI image of yourself and others too. If you want to do it for yourself, fine and good. If you want to do it for others, fine and good. Okay? You can make money with this. Many people will pay you to create a hyper-realistic AI image of themselves. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. And it is completely free. All you need to do is to stay till the end of this video. Make sure you watch till the end of this video. I know that many of you will want to rush. You just want to rush and know the app, know how to do it, and you will skip this video. For your own good, stay till the end of the video. So everything I'm going to teach you is going to be free. People are paying to learn this, but I'm teaching it free, okay? People are paying. If you are online, you see that people are running ads teaching people how to create hyper-realistic AI image of themselves, but you are going to learn it for free. The only thing I want you to do for me is to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment, okay? That is the only thing I am requesting from you. I'm not asking you to pay a dime. So let's go into the practical proper. Let me show you how you can create hyper-realistic image of yourself using AI. All right, so let's go into the practical. So the first app we'll be using for this AI realistic image is called Remini. Hold on, don't rush. Just follow the steps so that you will not make mistakes, okay? Now go to your Play Store. This is my Play Store, okay? Download Remini app, okay? And open it. Install and open it, okay? It's available for iOS and available for Android. So download this app and open it. Now, while opening the app, you will get to a point where they will ask you to choose what you want to use this app for, whether it is photo enhancing, create avatar, or create AI picture. So anyone you choose, no problem. Then you click on next, okay? Then it will bring you to this point, okay? And you're going to see your gallery, the images, the recent images in your phone, okay? So we have the enhancer, we have AI photo, we have AI avatar, we have AI filter, okay? Now at this point, we are generating AI photo. So you click on AI photos, okay? So it's going to bring you to this point. You click on let's do it. So here you'll be asked to select 8 photos of yourself, all right? And these 8 photos must show your face. Your face must not be covered, okay? So you tap on this plus icon. So let's use Mr. P2B's photo, okay? Please mind you, this is for educational purposes, all right? He's a good man and he's loved by Nigerians. So I'll select 8 of this photo. I'll select 8 of them. Okay. Then you click on continue. You can select another one if you want, all right? But minimum of 8 photos, okay? Then you click continue. All right? At this point, you'll be asked to select a gender. So I will tap male. If you're a female, you select female. Okay? Your AI profile is complete. Go on to generate your first AI photo. You click continue. Okay? Now, at this point, you'll be asked to pick a model. Okay? You will pick a model from all these photos here. All right? So we're going to select this medical doctor. Okay? Then we say use this model. It's going to load, okay? It's going to take like 6 minutes. If you're using it for the first time, it's going to take your time a little. But after this first time, it won't take your time again, okay? It says, don't worry, the first time takes longer. The next will take less than 1 minute, all right? So at this point, it says swipe right to save, okay? If you don't want it, you can swipe left, all right? Click on got it. Swipe left to trash. So anyone you don't want, you just swipe left. Anyone you want, you swipe right and it will save to your phone, okay? So I will swipe right. Okay, see this one. This one. Wow. This one. This one. This one. Okay. It says get a video too. I'll say yes, save video. Alright, so everything is saved to our gallery. Alright. So if you want to generate more, you generate more. If you want to change the model, alright, you can tap here to change the model. Okay. All you need to do is to tap and the model will change. Alright. It says use this model. Okay. It's loading. It's converting our image. Okay. Okay, can you see? So this is our hyper realistic image. So if you want to save this image into your phone, you swipe right. If you want to delete it, you don't want to save, you swipe left. Okay. This is my gallery, and these are the images we generated as a hyper realistic AI image. Okay. Now listen, this is very important. You need to understand this. As a first timer using this app, you will be asked to pay. Okay. The amount you are going to pay is around 1,400. Okay. It's not up to $5 for those of you that are watching from outside Nigeria. Okay. Now this money is too small. All right. Compared to other AI apps, you will pay more with other AI apps. But look at how to work around it. This app gives you 7 days free trial. So what you do is that when you are about to pay, or as soon as you download this app, okay, a pop-up will come up where you have to subscribe. Now, subscribe and choose 7 days free trial. Before the 7 days, you can cancel it. If you don't cancel it before the 7 days, your card will automatically be charged. Okay. The good part of this is that the subscription money is small. Okay. It is very small that anybody can afford it. And if you can, go ahead. Then another good part is that when you subscribe and you are using it to service clients, okay, you are doing it for clients and they pay you. Within 1 week, you will get your money times 10. Okay. Now imagine using 1,500 naira to subscribe. That is less than $3, roughly $3. Okay. Now, in a week, if you are servicing clients, one payment from one client can cover your subscription fee. Then other clients becomes profit. Okay. You will make profit with the first client and subsequent clients. If you subscribe for a year, the same thing. So in a year, you are going to get 10 times, more than 10 times what you subscribed for. And if you are active in a week, you will see clients that will pay you and you will cover what you subscribed for. Okay. If you just want to use it for yourself, all you need to do is to subscribe for the 7 days free trial. And before the 7 days free trial ends, you deactivate your card. Else, you will be charged automatically. If you're having issues with your card, I would suggest that you use cheaper cash virtual card. Okay. Use their dollar virtual card for those of you in Nigeria. Those of you outside Nigeria, I believe your card is going to work. All right. So one more thing. Now, when you download these images, you're going to see that it has a watermark, Remini watermark. All you need to do is to crop this image. Okay. You can crop it off or you can use your own logo. Okay. Your brand image and cover it. I normally crop it off. Okay. So this is how to generate hyper realistic AI image of yourself. Okay. So I hope you got value from this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, comment on it. Some people are selling this, but you are getting it all for free. So do well to subscribe, like this video, and drop a good comment on this video. You can join our community. You can check the description box and click on the link to join our community so that you will be updated with latest videos when we drop it. Thank you once again, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment and join our group.